Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we need to take the rest of what's in the garden and do something with it. So I have chives over here and this giant bowl of parsley that we're gonna turn into compound butter. Let's go. So obviously the first step was to get out into the garden and pick my 2 giant buckets full of parsley. This lasted all summer long. I picked some here and there, but just kind of left it alone. A big tip that I found helpful was to go ahead and pull out any of the yellow or the brown pieces or fallen leaves as I was picking the parsley and only putting the healthy green stuff into my bowl. Oh, and look, I found a swallowtail butterfly caterpillar, so I did leave a whole parsley plant out there for them. I ended up finding 2, so I left them a nice big food source. After that, I grabbed the rest of my chives. These come back every year, so I just decided to cut the whole plant down and I'll see it again next year. Okay, so first things first, we need to get a bunch of parsley leaves picked off of the stems here, and I'm gonna do obviously a giant recipe. I'll link the recipe down below, but I'm going to double it and double it and double it because I just have so much parsley. So we are going to get 2 cups of leaves to start with. Okay, we have our 2-cup measuring cup pretty packed full of parsley leaves. So now I need a 1/2 cup of chives, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball, so that's a nice big bundle. And then I need 4 sticks of softened butter. I'm going to give our chives just a rough cut so that they don't bind up in the wheel or the blade. There we go. And then in with our parsley. And here we go. All right. And there we have our compound butter. So my next step was to line a 9x13 cake pan with parchment paper. I ended up putting this butter in the refrigerator overnight because I ran out of time. So I scooped it all back out and stuck it in this pan, and I'm impatient, so I turned the oven on 200 degrees and left it in there for a couple of minutes. This did kind of affect the final texture, so just be patient and let it come up to room temperature. After that, once it hardened up in the fridge again, I went in with a pastry cutter or a biscuit cutter and sliced it into big cubes, laid out another piece of parchment paper on my stove and flipped it out. This made it a lot easier to kind of manage once I put it in the freezer. You could definitely put this in like a piping bag and do little dollops, but I did just big blocks, so that way I can pull a single block out of the freezer and throw it in a skillet and get it ready for cooking pasta, fish, chicken, vegetables, anything. And I have so much that I can share with friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.